There are 3 bullets in this gun. The first bullet is for Arohi. The second bullet is meant for Nikku. And the third bullet. Do you know, Prithvi, whom the third bullet is meant for? Virat?
Why are you silent, Deep? Answer me. Will you be able to kill Arohi and her nephew? You said that the news of our baby has made you a kinder person. So will this kind person be able to kill someone? Will you be able to kill the kid whom you have kept alive till now? The family members are already suspicious. Even I feel that you still haven't been able to forget Arohi. Will you be able to kill Arohi and her nephew? Will you be able to cause bloodshed again?
Who's suspicious and what anyone thinks? That's not important for me, Tara. Only mom's orders are important for me. And I can even shoot myself for that. I have taken an oath to protect this family. And I can't have any mercy whatsoever on the enemies of this family. No one will be able to save Arohi and her nephew from me today. They are sure to die. What's wrong, Tara? You should be happy to hear this news. Why are you looking so flushed? Today, both of your enemies will die a very painful death. I know what you're about to say. But whatever I'm doing it for the safety of this family. I'm doing it for my child's future. So that he doesn't get into any danger in the future.
You are absolutely right, Deep. It's good for Arohi and her nephew to die for our future. Deep, I want to see for myself my sworn enemy squirming and breathing her last breath. That's why I'll also accompany you.
No, Tara, you won't accompany me. I'll give you the news of her death. You can hear it and feel happy.
I don't want the mother of my child to hear screams of the dying people.
I won't let you kill Nikku, Deep Raj Singh. I will have to follow you and save Nikku.
Whom is the third bullet meant for?
The third bullet is meant for the one who won't complete his work.
Got it, Mom. When a horse gets crippled, it is good to shoot it. This job will be real fun.
Save Deep?
After many days, I have the opportunity to kill at least 3 people.
Oh God, that means that even Deep's life is in danger. It's hard to understand who is plotting against whom in this house. But why do you want to save Deep? Why do you have this empathy for Deep? Anyway, whatever it is, it's important to save Deep. That's because Deep's death is inevitable, but not by someone else, but by me. I will not let someone else kill him. I will not be able to face these two monsters by myself. I'll have to first get rid of Virat. It will then get easier to defeat Deep. That is when I'll be able to save Niku.
What's with the drama in the middle of the road? Why has Mom sent him?
Yes, Virat, tell me.
Mom, who have you sent to kill Arohi? This lover cannot muster the courage, Mom. He's standing in the middle of the road and yelling like a fool.
Oh God. What can I tell you? Let him shout. Poor boy. Must be recollecting his mistakes. Okay, listen. When he's breathing his last, please tell him that I love him a lot. And that I will meet him in hell.
Wow, Mom, that's awesome. You are expressing love while killing someone. Will he ever get such a family in hell? Hey, get your truck aside or I'll set it on fire. Come on.
Sir, please wait 5 minutes.
Damn it. Deep has left.
Oh God, I have managed to stop one of the idiots now. But I hope I manage to get the other in control.
Oh Goddess, where is Deep? Now how will I find about Niku? Please help me, Goddess, please. Do you know what this is? This is magic wire. To touch this wire, star breaks. Don't be scared or touch this wire. I will show you magic. Touch this wire. Come on, touch this wire. I said touch it!
Arohi!
Deep,
I know that you are in there with Niku. Come out of there, because you won't escape alive.
Arohi. My dear husband has come here to kill me because he thinks I'm Arohi. Oh, so this is what she has done. All. Deep.
Stay right there. Another step, and you will lose your life.
The girl that you protected by getting Arohi arrested is the one that you want to kill today.
Stop talking nonsense. I'm not going to get fooled by you, Arohi. A lot of times I've been fooled by you, but not anymore.
You have lost it, Deep. I am not Arohi, but Tara, you idiot. You're Tara.
Stop.
I guess you're forgetting that I'm the one that you have been protecting for life. I am the one for whom you married Arohi and sent her to jail. That night you were with me and you told me, right?
I can recognize you even if I'm blinded. Whenever you come near me, I feel different. I don't recognize you by your face, but with your touch and by the sound of your feet. I know you very well.
Is that evidence enough for you or do you want more? Do you remember the party? You asked me about Arohi's boyfriend and about the ring you took from her?
By the way, from Arohi, I remember that she had a boyfriend. After he died, there was a ring that she took from him. Where is it?
You threw the rings and souvenirs while coming back from Shimla. Do you remember that what had we decided as names of our kids? If it's a girl, then Sara, and if it's a boy, then Rida. Do you now believe that I am your Tara? And even now, if you don't believe me, then look inside your heart, you will know your Tara. Trust me, Deep. See into my eyes and feel me. We both are stuck into Arohi's trap. She is very sharp. Put the gun down. You don't scare the one whom you love. You want to kill Arohi, right? Then kill her. She is Arohi. Deep. We won't get such a chance again. She has troubled me a lot. Kill her, Deep. Shoot her! No, Deep. I am Tara and not her.
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.